Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend kings and blue-chip dividend stocks. Number 1. Dividend kings are companies with at least 50 consecutive years of dividend increases, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are large, financially strong companies that pay dividends but may not have a 50-year increase streak. Number 2. Dividend kings require a 50-plus year annual dividend growth record, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks have no fixed minimum dividend streak requirement. Number 3. Dividend kings qualify mainly because of extraordinary dividend growth consistency, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are recognized mainly for size, reputation, and overall business strength. Number 4. Dividend kings form a smaller and more exclusive group, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks represent a much broader category of established companies. Number 5. Dividend kings are usually highly trusted and time-tested, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are generally well-known market leaders with strong brands. Number 6. Dividend kings are often viewed as exceptionally reliable dividend payers, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are often reliable too, but their dividend history can vary much more. Number 7. Dividend kings focus strongly on predictable annual dividend growth, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks may provide stable dividends but not always rising dividends every year. Number 8. Dividend kings often offer moderate yields rather than very high yields, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks can offer yields ranging from low to moderate or sometimes high. Number 9. Dividend kings emphasize long-term consistency over aggressive growth, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks may offer a mix of stability, income, and business growth. Number 10. Dividend kings are often considered lower risk for dividend-focused investors, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are usually stable but their risk can vary by company and sector. Number 11. Dividend kings have survived and raised dividends through many economic cycles, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks may also be resilient but not all of them have such long dividend records. Number 12. Dividend kings follow a strict and objective dividend growth standard, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are more loosely defined with no single universal rule. Number 13. Dividend kings are popular with conservative income and dividend growth investors, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are popular with investors seeking quality, dividends, and stability. Number 14. Dividend kings are much harder to qualify for because of the 50-year requirement, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are easier to classify if the company is large and established. Number 15. Dividend kings are best known for elite dividend durability and long-term consistency, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are best known for quality, scale, and broad income investing appeal. In summary, dividend kings are a more exclusive group built around exceptional dividend growth history, whereas blue-chip dividend stocks are a wider category of strong, established dividend-paying companies that may not meet such a strict dividend streak standard. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.